Hi, fellow devs. I'm Banjo Inka, also known as Banjo Tech. Yeah, I'm a full stack developer. Some months back, I experienced a problem in my tech journey. I could not finish some projects. Like I have a problem of not being able to finish projects. So I created an app that could solve this problem. This app basically here, this app basically gives you a face like a structure to solve any problem from either landing pages to any full stack project or app. So this you just need to like type your project description and it creates faces for you, give you task and also allow you to be able to track your tasks. I've also been able to like integrate GitHub to it. I don't know if it's over engineering though, but I made it possible that you can also connect your repo to this task. So your task in the app can actually be matched with your project repo, or it could actually be the same. If your task is going well here, your tracked task, if it's going well, it will show, it will match it. So something like that, Sha. And you could even check the condition of the code if it's like written well or something like that. Let me show you how the task is, the app is rather. This is the code base. We have nothing to do here, so let's just move on to the browser to test the web app for the URL. By the way, I'll drop the URL in the comment section. So okay, you already logged me in. This is the landing page. So okay, let me show you how to create a new project on the app. So you have two options to create a new project. Either you already have the project going on, so you want to maybe make it more arrange. This web app is more like a project management app, so you want to make it more arranged. um so you can import it, the code from GitHub, connect your GitHub. Here is my own account here. You can select repositories. These are some of my few repositories. And you can also just create the project here directly, and maybe then connect your repository later. So creating new projects, you just have to put a project name and your description of the project. So I'm not going to do too much explaining it. So you could just say maybe an e-commerce web app for female clothing. So I'm not going to do too much here to not to waste our time. So I'll just copy it in the description too. For the description here, you have to actually add more details. What you want for the project, maybe in case you don't even know anything to do about the app you are about to work on. So it will give you more detailed task, more detailed phase. So right here I'm just giving it a vague description. So there are already like some templates, not like template though, but something to give you more direction that okay, this is the kind of web app project you are trying to create task for. So let's choose e-commerce online store. Okay, progress 0, connect repositories. You can connect your repo here and it will show you the amount of faces you have. This one has 10 faces. So this one has 10 faces, discovery and planning. So there will be already some task here. You can delete it. If you like it, you can even ask AI for hints to explain the task for you. So I use them Grok API keys here. So I use the Grok free API keys for some AI enhancements, like the chatbot here is also from Grok. So you could add details or notes, maybe like a solution to your task for the purpose of a documentation. It also has a feature that at the end of the task, if you finished all the tasks, you get to have two things: a PRD, like one PRD is for starting the project. Maybe you want a PRD to like give AI for stuff. That one, that one comes from creating your task. So the task you created will int your before PRD. Why this one? After you finish your task, you've marked it, checkbox it, it creates documentation of your task. So it works from, let me show you. You could copy it, download it as MD. This is it. We didn't even put much details, but because of the template tags that are already in there, so you already created a PRD. So just have, you can delete the task, you can delete the phases if you feel your own planning is better. Some developers already have their mental framework to get things done, so this doesn't have to change it. So it's flexible, not rigid. It's flexible to work with. So let me show you how my dashboard is and show you. Yeah, let me show you this feature, the team member feature. This is one of the projects that I invited myself in another account. School system website, blah blah blah. This is the notification. There's even a notification feature that tells you, hey, someone add you to this account, view projects. So it. Okay, this is it. Collaborator, blah blah blah, same stuff. So let's go back to dashboard. The team member stuff also has a real time sync, feature, in a way that team member if your team member added the task, you will know here in the notification. So this is how you can add team member. You can either add them with their email, or you send link to them, since they have to sign up first before they gain access to the project. So it will redirect you to a page where you sign up. Let me look for one project that has repo linked in it, so I can show the github feature. So okay, I think, okay, this one is linked with a repo, my repo actually. So this repo even has nothing to do with, I just did it for quick testing. This one says mobile app for a marketing system. This one is my portfolio repo actually. So most of the tasks here, if you compare them, won't match. Let's compare the task. Here we go. So most of it won't match. It's comparing the code inside the repo with the task here, if they actually match, if your work is going well. So if you wanted to create if you created a task to create an API in your task, but you don't have the code in your repo, it will show zero match, and it will even suggest that you do the task. Let me show you the suggestion. Okay, here is the suggestion to show you what has been built by comparing your code, to show you the tech stack as well. I used React to build my portfolio. So, and if you actually even want to check your file browser from the repo, to show you as well. Here we go. Let's check some code here. The feature I told you about is you can check the complexity of code. Let me just choose random code here. Okay, it can even analyze your code. This one says medium complexity. Some code has low complexity. So key element to show you. This is a UI component that renders visual elements to show you what the code is for. So I don't know if this is overkill, over engineering. I don't know, but some of the features actually feels nice. So, but I think this will be useful for people doing hackathon a lot. People that mostly want to generate documentations for their projects. Then maybe PRD, you want to start a quick project, you want to plan your project. This will be really nice for them. So it will even show your recent commit from your repo. So as a AI chatbot. I think I already chat. Okay, yeah, I already did. I asked. You can ask of anything from the project as well and close it back. Also as toggle um lights or dark mode. So do you think this project is useful for this? Because actually I was using it to solve my own problem. So I don't know. Does any dev have this problem too? Let me know in the comment section, guys. And please, I'll be rounding up. Please, guys, please follow me. Follow me. I'll be creating content like this. So please try and follow me. It means a lot to me. And I'll drop the link to the project in the comment section. Thank you.